Hi, my name is Dave Zarella, and I'd like to welcome you to the MarineMax family. The next day or so, you're going to meet our delivery captain that's going to be part of this video, and he's going to share with you the ins and outs of your boat. If you're so lucky, he's going to take you to your marina also. So when you speak with him, let the captain know what's really important to you. We have our own personal agenda, all the safety things that is involved, how to run the boat in operations, but if there are things that are important to you, please bring them out so the delivery captain could spend the additional time that you need on that boat. You'll also meet our service team. You're going to love them. Our number one goal is completely make sure that your boating exceeds even your wildest expectations. Again, thanks for joining us and welcome to the family.
Hi there. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Sailfish. My name is Greg and I'll be your delivery captain. In a couple of days we'll get together and I'm going to show you some things about the boat that you may or may not be familiar with. We'll go through a list and we'll get you underway so that you can enjoy your boat in comfort. Once again, congratulations on the purchase of your new Sailfish, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in a couple of days.